So now we just need to make this person detail view controller pass the model and display information about the particular name that was selected. So let's first see if we can make a new file, Objective-C class, and this is a view controller, not a table view controller. Just a plain old regular view controller. Wait a minute. I need to make sure the name is person detail view controller. Okay, there we go. Now, still have a red dot here. Probably need the import statement. And now look back, see if those red dots will go away. Yes. Let's just go ahead and test it. Last name, so I'll click on Moose, and there it is. Not much to speak of, but we do have a nice return button there. Notice that this button is automatically named last names after the title that was in our previous level. That's done for us automatically. So click on King, and we could go back to last names. If I put a title in this one and use the nav controller again to go to a next level, that title would be automatically given to a new button, so I could return here, then go back to the last names. Nice thing about nav controller. Okay, we need to put some information here. Well, let's try that. We'll add a few labels. Make this fairly long and tall. Font should be set a little bigger. Well, maybe 24. I'll copy and paste this 3 times. That makes a total of 4 labels. We have 4 pieces of information. Works out nicely that way. That's good enough to see that we have something going. Yep, there it is. So now we just need to pass the model and put information into those labels. Let's see, we know how to do that. All we need is the model data member. So let's see, here's the .h file. We'll import model and add a new data member here. I guess while we're at it, put the signature for an init method to pass the model in, and then in the .m file, here is an old init method. I'll paste in a new one. And let's see, this is the person detail view controller. So print out some information about the model just to see if indeed we're there. If we have that information. A good debugging technique. So let's see. It looks like it showed new information, last name, but did not show us the model. It showed us the index number we clicked on. Looks like we have the init method. It's there. It has an NS log. Let us see. Oh, we're still sending bundle nil. So we want to add and model. Good thing we put in that little debugging info. Let's see. Yeah. See information there now. And let's see. It says this is from JK Person Detail View Controller. That's the entire model. We've got all the info we need. Let's then give these labels names and try to populate them. Okay. In the nib, we'll check out to see if we can drag some names over. Oh, we can't because there's no outlets. But we know how to do that. Add them over here. And let's see. I have some of those already typed up. Here they are. So first name label, last name label, age label. Go to the nib now. And there they are. Okay. First name, last name, money, and age. So now they're connected. We just need to fill up the information. So in the view did load, we can do that. First name and label, no problem. Last name and label, no problem. And here's a fancy technique to change an int into a string and then use that string to fill up age label. That should do that. Let's see how we're doing. Last names. There it is. Doug Douglas 61287. So you could make this more fancy, but that is the basic solution for homework 11.